Can we remove ringtone from Android? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn if we can delete or remove ringtone from Android or not. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Settings application on your device. Navigate to Sound and Vibration options on Settings. Scroll down and select Ringtone. So here you got the custom ringtone and system ringtone. So you need to note that you can remove ringtones from Android but with some limitations. So you can remove the custom ringtones once you manually add it. So these are the ringtones you downloaded or transferred to your phone. You can easily delete them from the sound and vibration itself, or you can easily head towards file managers and locate music or recordings and then delete it. You can come back, and when you try to delete the system ringtones, you won't be able to delete this pre-installed system ringtones. If you want to delete the system ringtones, you would need to root your phone, but this is risky and not recommended unless you are experienced. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.